واو شو جميل. يا ترى ازاي نعملها؟
Oh, Perry, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here, Jahan?
This is my kitchen and this is my house.
Well, I was hoping, I just found the door and then I just came in and then I just found this wonderful dish. So can I make it with you if you're doing it?
Yes, I was just about to make another one. I'm making this like a show, so let's change it up to Jahan's and Perry's kitchen.
Yeah, that's better.
Welcome to Hot Pack, Jahan's and Perry's kitchen. The ingredients are roasted flour and Horlicks and pistachio, lotus biscuit smashed,
Sesame seeds, butter.
Oh, Perry, you forgot that? That's pasted dates.
Okay. And cocoa powder, almonds.
And one big thing you need to use.
A big bowl.
Yep, to mix and mix. Let's put it at the middle so we
Yeah,
can...
this is the middle.
No, this is the middle.
No, this is the middle.
Okay.
So first you take a spoon, any spoon you like, and then bring some butter and then pour it into the
Bowl.
Yeah.
Oh, careful, don't spill that. And now the next ingredient is flour. And it's roasted flour.
Yeah, just pour that all in.
Yeah, everything is up.
Whoa! Now we're going to bring some gloves. First we're
Put
going
it here.
Yeah, put it there. That's one for me.
This hot pack gloves, these they don't have powder, so it's nice and
Comfy. So yeah, so now you bring the bowl with the flour and the butter. Now
we will mix that with our little hands.
So come on. Ooh, that's so cute. Oh, come on. Just mix it all together. Just bring those, rub.
Now we will put the pasted dates.
Now just bring this out. I just heard. Now bring this and just scoop all of that. It's hard. So just
now we're gonna mix it, I think.
دلوقتي احنا قلبنا طحين زبدة وتمر كلهم مع بعض قلبناها.
Okay, so Perry, can you give me some small balls? Can you make them? And I'll put them in each flavor, but small, tiny ones.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Oh wait, I almost forgot. If I want to display them, I mean like put them in a box, I need to make a box. Where's that box? Zippity-zoo! Zippity-zoo! Make my hot pack box appear in a flash! Okay, we just put it in the sesame seed one. And now we just put it in the biscuit one, the lotus biscuit one. And now let's put it in the pistachio one.
Okay, here you go. Mix and mix. Let's roll roll it as I said.
I think it is.
Now, you could put it.
I know you want some.
No, put it
It's
here.
just-
Ah!
Hey Perry, I got a special gift. Ramadan Mubarak.
Thank you, Ramadan Kareem.
Bye, Perry.
Bye.
I hope you liked this episode and thanks for watching Hot Pan Jahan's Kitchen.